Welcome back to our studio. Temptations. Oh, how I wish it would rain. Well, sunshine, blue sky, please go away. My girl has found another and gone away. With her went my future. My life is filled with gloom. So day after day I stay locked up in this room. I know to you it might sound strange, but I wish it would rain. Yeah. Cause so badly I wanna go outside, but everyone knows that a man ain't supposed to cry. Listen, I've got to cry, cause crying is the pain. Oh yeah. People, this hurt I feel inside, words could never explain. I just wish it would rain. Oh, let it rain, rain, let it rain. Ooh, baby. Well, let it rain. Oh yeah, let it rain. Ooh, oh yeah, let it rain. Let me tell you something else. Look at here. A day in, day out, my tear-stained face pressed against the window pane. My eyes search the sky desperately for rain, cause raindrops will hide my teardrops, and no one will ever know that I'm crying, crying when I go outside. To the world outside my tears I refuse to explain. Oh, I wish it would rain. Ooh. Let it rain. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. I'm a man, I got my pride. These tears I just can't hide. Let it rain. The Temptations, oh how I wish that it would rain. Motown. All right, crackling, popping fireplace. Thank you for listening.